Welcome. Today's meditation is about reprogramming your subconscious mind. Please find a place where you are comfortable and you can deeply relax. Close the eyes and begin to relax deeply and evenly by breathing slowly and effortlessly. The subconscious mind is comprised of all of your life experiences. Patterns that you learned up until the age 7 are set in the subconscious mind. And the way to reprogram these patterns you learned when you were just a child is through repetition. So begin to think of an intent you want to set for this meditation. In a few words, what is a goal that you want to achieve? Repeat this intention over and over in your head. I intend to. What is it that you want? If you could change something about yourself, what would it be? Think of that thing you want to change. What is the opposite of that? How could you be a better person? Through repeating this affirmation of your strong intent over and over, you are creating new beliefs. And through this intention, it may not feel like who you really are, but with practice and repetition and a little dedication, you can change any old patterning you wish. As you softly relax, noticing how you are sitting on the chair or surface below, resting, changing, reprogramming your subconscious mind. You are doing so well. Let's relax a little deeper in order to make great change in the subconscious mind. Imagine that you are sinking down towards the earth, drifting right through the chair or mattress or couch that you rest on, floating down, making your way to the earth's surface, and you float right through the earth. And as you float down, you are going deeper and deeper within the subconscious mind, breathing and relaxing, having awareness of things you notice on the way to your subconscious. As you float down into the earth, what kinds of memories are floating through your awareness? Begin to think of your skills and talents. What are some things you know to do better than others? Begin to say how strong and resilient you are. Your strengths are getting stronger, and you're just relaxing, listening to this meditation. Ask your subconscious mind to begin to reprogram old patterns that have been holding you back. As you become more relaxed, you have the realization that wellness can be as infectious as disease. You are becoming more and more well deep within your subconscious mind right now. The brain waves that you are in right now are nice and slow. Now think of something really positive you want to achieve. See it as if it's happening right now, like a vivid movie playing out before you in slow motion. See yourself from an outside perspective, attaining all the goals that you've ever set. One after the other, accomplished. You feel confident, brave, respected. Right now, give your subconscious mind instructions, a to-do list. Tell your subconscious mind right now, this is how I am. This is who I am. All actions I take reflect this new programming. Human beings are limitless. That means you can change anything you want to about yourself and become better and better. What are your beliefs about health? Say your positive affirmation about health over and over. What are your beliefs about spirituality? Repeat to yourself a few positive things about your spirituality right now. And now, what are your beliefs about your career? Repeat this new positive belief about your career to yourself now, over and over. Wonderful. As your meditation comes to a close, realize that you are creating your future with every thought you think. So as soon as you catch yourself thinking negatively, change that thought right away to the opposite. a positive thought, one that is creating your reality and the reality of those around you. Whenever you have finished your meditation, gently stretch the body and open the eyes, feeling a new, reprogrammed subconscious mind working in your best interest.